Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thanks for joining me today. I thought I'd show you the front cover of the new autumn winter catalogue today from Stampin' Up. I'm not a salesperson. I don't sell Stampin' Up products, but obviously I get excited when new products come out, just like anyone else does. I can't show you inside of this catalogue until the 1st of September. So there's like an embargo, so only demonstrators can see what's going on in there. From the 1st of September, you can have a paper version of the catalogue if you contact your demonstrator and ask for one. If you don't have a demonstrator, then look on the Stampin' Up website and you'll find your nearest one. And you can also access it online if you go to an online store, at Stampin' Up store from the 1st of September, and you can also ask your demonstrator for a PDF. And there'll be lots of demonstrators who are sharing the PDF file as a download or as a link or as a store link on their blogs and whatever. So I'll link my upline because she does have a sale. She does sell. I'll link my upline. So if you don't have anywhere to go to her, and on the 1st of September, she will have a link on her blog. And my upline is the lovely Anne Melvin from Positively Papercraft, who's just an amazingly talented crafter and designer and would hugely appreciate support. So then, I can only show you the front catalogue, but what I have done is I've copied and shared everything. That's case. Stampin' Up call it casing. So I've cased 3 cards using 1 stamp set from the catalogue to show you today, but I can't actually show you inside. You can get a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on, but from the cover you can see little cloth bags here, so maybe they're going to be a feature, or maybe the stamp that's on them is going to be a feature. There's these fairy light bulbs, maybe they're going to be something you can grab hold of. There's lots of gold elements and foil stickers and things like that. So maybe they're going to be around. There's lovely leaping reindeer. There's obviously the reindeer there. That's obviously a stamp and either a punch or a die. So there's all sorts that you can get little clues as to what's going to be available. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you some cards that I've made, and I've used this called the Wishing You Well set, and this stamp set just really stood out to me when I looked through the catalogue because of this bow. And when you see this bow printed out, it's just absolutely beautiful. So the first card I did was this little one, which is copied from the catalogue. The only difference is I've used an old gold thread, a gold twine instead of the gold thread that they use. So gold thread used to be available in Stampin' Up and it disappeared, and now it's making a comeback for Christmas. I think it is anyway. I've not actually noticed it in the catalogue. I just noticed that they used it in this card and it's not current, so it must be coming back. But I've used a gold twine instead. And the other thing I've done is this green is Lemon Lime Twist, and on the card in the catalogue this green is Granny Apple Green. This is Tranquil Tide, and I've just used the normal Whisper White. I think it might be better to use the extra thick Whisper White, and then that lovely sentiment there printed in Tranquil Tide, and just a very simple strip of paper. You'll notice that these 3 cards I've made using this stamp set are very, very simple, and they're just letting the colours and the pattern, you know, the stamps really do the talking. So that's the first one. That's a little 4x4 card. I'll just move that to the side. So that's a 4x4 inch card. So that's 10.2 by 10.2. And then it's just got this strip here, and then just some random stamping, and I've just stamped directly onto the card then. Then the next card is super simple again, and this has got a 6, what I did was give it a 6x4, so a 15.2 by 10.2 base. and then I added on this little 3 inch by 3 inch, so that's 7.6 by 7.6 square. I put some, these are 2 separate pieces, that's not like a massive piece that's been wasted at the back. I put some of the gold twine on again. I do have gold thread, but I just like the twine. And then used the wreath stamp in Lemon Lime Twist, Tranquil Tide for the bow, and for Season's Greeting stamp. And again, look how beautiful that bow is. And what I did was I didn't ink up the bottom little arc of that circle, because otherwise it sort of shows through the bow. And the bow is a 1-step stamp, even though it looks like it's a 2-step stamp. It's just a 1-step stamp. Now, when I looked back at the original card for this that I was copying from the catalogue, this is slightly bigger. I think this is probably more like 3.5, maybe even 4, okay? But it's still, it's so simple and so elegant, and just, again, a great card if you're going to batch make. Even that itself is a great card if you're going to batch make. And then finally, this one uses the bunch of, what do you call it? Is it a sheaf of corn? So there's a sheaf of corn, and that's Lemon Lime Twist, would you believe? Because of the stamp, it just comes out much more sort of subtle. And then I've used the Tranquil Tide with this little flower stamp, cornflower stamp, just to stamp those in between. And then, I mean, that's just 1 stamp and 1 more stamp on top. And then some more gold twine, and then another, again, we've got this just really simple white strip with the sentiment on it. And again, this is a 6x4. And then this just wraps round. We have got another layer, so we've got the 6x4 card, and then we've got a 1/4 of an inch smaller mat, and then this just wraps around the back of the mat and is glued down. And again, look how beautiful and how elegant that is. It's really, really lovely. So that's just to showcase that 1 stamp set that's coming up. So if there's, you know, when you do get to look at the catalogue, and you've seen these products, you'll see these cards in the catalogue, but now you've sort of seen how they're made and what they look like in real life and how beautiful they are. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to see me use this set a lot because it's just so gorgeous, and there's just so many possibilities with it. I mean, it's only really got it's got the flowers here, the bow, the wreath, and the corn sheaf. And then it's got 4 sentiments. It's got sending you our thoughts and prayers, wishing you well, just a note, and season's greetings. So that's it. But it's, I mean, I can just see so many uses for that. I mean, the DSP you're going to be able to make with this is going to be amazing. So that's me done. Like I said, you can check out you can get an image of the front of the catalogue now, but from the 1st of September you can have a look inside and start ordering. But if you've already got a demonstrator or you are a demonstrator, then obviously you already know all of this, and I'm wasting my breath. So I'll stop doing that now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the cards. That was the main thing. I just wanted to show you those, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.